Kanpur-based Brahmion SpaceTech has successfully conducted hot-fire testing of its indigenous Vegastro 100 mN green monopropellant microthruster that will be used for small satellite orbit correction. The Institute for Plasma Research has successfully demonstrated its fully integrated 8 kN electromagnetic launcher prototype for defense applications. Vietnamese President's ongoing visit to India is expected to focus on the proposed 5,800 crore rupees BrahMos missile deal, which would make Vietnam the third nation to acquire the Indo-Russian supersonic cruise missile after Philippines and Indonesia. Turkey has unveiled its first intercontinental ballistic missile with a 6,000-kilometer range. Though Turkey is not a nuclear power, the development signals intent to project long-range deterrence, as the projected range could theoretically reach beyond Europe and deep into Asia. Haryana-based Armory has secured a 100 crore Ministry of Defence order for the supply of its indigenous surge counter unmanned aerial system. The Ministry of Defence has signed a 1,476 crore rupees contract with Bharat Electronics Limited for 5 ground-based mobile electronic systems for the Indian Army with over 72% indigenous content. Adani Defence has delivered Agnikaa long-range loitering munition, an UAV-launched precision-guided missile to the Indian Army under emergency procurement. Zen Technologies has unveiled India's first fully integrated AI-powered anti-drone system at the North Tech Symposium 2026, combining soft kill and hard kill capabilities to counter swarm drones. Noida-based IG Defence unveiled 2 indigenous weapon platforms, KAL 1000 km strike range one-way attack drone, and 100 km range JWALA surface-to-air missile system at the North Tech Symposium 2026. At the North Tech Symposium 2026, Dash Defense Systems unveiled its Dash 6x6 ATV and signed an MOU with IIT Roper's Defense Research and Innovation Foundation to jointly develop next-generation defense technologies. IdeaForge has confirmed a strategic shift from intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance UAV platforms toward combat-capable drones, including long-range attack UAVs, loitering munitions and Kamikaze systems. Armenia is in advanced negotiations with India for the acquisition of the Pralay tactical ballistic missile, a move that will mark one of India's most significant high-end missile export breakthroughs. The export version of Pralay missile is capped at 290 km to comply with Missile Technology Control Regime guidelines, but retains precision strike capability, speeds exceeding Mach 6 and terminal maneuverability. Tanbo Imaging has showcased its SharkJet jet-powered loitering munition at the North Tech Symposium 2026 that can be deployed from mobile naval and air launch platforms for operations in contested environments. Powered by a turbojet engine, the system is designed for high-speed precision strikes and deep interdiction missions, supporting suppression of enemy air defenses, counter-radar operations, maritime targeting, and engagement of high-value time-sensitive targets. Ukraine's intelligence disclosures surrounding Russia's new Su-71K Crore cruise missile have increased the potential relevance of the Su-57E for the Indian Air Force, particularly as a long-range standoff precision strike platform, rather than just a stealth air superiority fighter. The turbojet-powered missile carries a 250 kg high-explosive fragmentation warhead, uses inertial navigation for pre-planned strikes, and has a projected range of up to 350 km, allowing Su-57 to engage targets from outside many short and medium-range air defense zones. Its reported integration with the S-70 Agnikaa unmanned combat aerial vehicle could further support deep strike operations, with unmanned systems penetrating contested airspace, while the Su-57 operates as a command and control and standoff launch platform. India's AMCA program has entered the system's installation detail design phase that will focus on integrating dense internal systems within a stealth-optimized airframe without compromising low observable characteristics. The AMCA will incorporate nearly 15 kilometers of internal wiring, complex fuel distribution systems, avionics space, and internal weapon bay mechanisms within a compact low-radar cross-section fuselage. Today's top 3 comments.